Hi! I am in Salt Lake City, Utah for Roots Tech 2024. This is an annual convention/conference on genealogy, archival methodologies, yung mga updates on the technologies that run modern libraries and modern repositories. One of the reasons why I'm here, aside from learning about all of the good stuff, is to get one of these, an Ancestry DNA test kit. Kasi parang siguro mga 10-12 years na ako huling nagpa-DNA test, and the technology has changed. So yung reports ngayon, mas maraming information na binibigay. So try natin. I've already taken out the plastic, so I can now slide it open. Oh, by the way, if you go online, parang mga $99 ito. Pero dito, $39 lang. So the box, siya na rin yung parang postage packaging niya. Ito ngayon. So yan yung makikita mo. So parang may plastic siya. This is a collection bag. Insert cap tube into the bag. Parang ito yung packaging bago mo ilagay doon sa mailer. Tapos ito is the instructions. Plus nasa likod yung unique activation code for the kit. Ayan, may instructions siya. Last but not the least, in this sealed package, parang may liquid and may collection cup. Dahil saliva ang test nito, siguro magta-toothbrush muna ako. Baka sabihin nila, meron akong kamag-anak na cheese whiz. I'll be back.
A few moments later.
Aside from brushing my teeth, nakalagay pala doon, you cannot eat or drink about 30 minutes before giving in your saliva sample. So, mga 30 minutes na. What I did also before I start spitting into this tube, I went into a website. Nakalagay naman yung QR code sa box. You go into the website and you activate the kit. To activate the kit, you just have to give your details. It's better if you already have an Ancestry account. Pero kung wala, then you just create one. They're going to ask details about you, your birthday, if you're an identical twin, if you've had stem cell procedures done. Tapos may mga informed consent things you're going to tick off. Mabilis lang naman. FYI, ito yung spit level. So I have to fill up laway up to this line. I'm not going to do that on camera. Okay, sige. I will spit into that test tube muna. Okay, I'm done. So I would suggest before you do this, drink some water, then you wait 30 minutes. I didn't do that. Kaya medyo matagal. I had to spit inside mga 5 to 6 times before I got to the level. Ngayon, alisin na natin yung takip. So you remove this. Apparently, this cap contains stabilizing solution. I-seal natin siya. Ayun, nag-release na. Ayun. So, if you can see, there's like that blue thing. So, na-release na si blue. And then, I have to shake. This will ensure your sample mixes thoroughly with a stabilizing solution so our lab can best process your sample. Place the sample inside the collection bag. Toss everything in. Tapos, I will remove the sticky tape and seal it and then put it back in the box. Tapos the box also comes with an adhesive tape. And we seal it. And it's ready to be shipped. That is how you activate your Ancestry DNA test kit. Diba? Meow meow.